This is a 4-fruit salad. I have yellow watermelon, 3/4 of a mango. I was meant to have half a mango, but it was overripe and there was some bits which were turning brown. So what I decided was to cut off the bits that were inedible, and eat the rest of it. So 3/4 of a ripe mango, one slice of yellow watermelon, one Packham pear, and about 10 black grapes. I have the juice of half a lemon, the juice of 2 key limes, and my chaat masala powder, and a packet 35 grams of sunflower kernels. That's the sunflower kernels there. Okay, and I don't have to eat it to tell you that it's going to taste awesome. Everything tastes awesome with chaat masala if you get the right spices. The combination, cloves and cardamom is a killer combination. It's lovely. It would mask the overpowering taste of nutmeg. Anyway, I did put nutmeg, but don't put so much. Put cinnamon as well. Cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg are very high in antioxidants. And also you can put black pepper, cumin, asafoetida, paprika, chili powder, whatever else you fancy. But I don't recommend putting turmeric. That will just spoil the taste, okay? All right. So see you next time. Bye.